You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, brake assist, electronic stability control. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.